What's up, everyone? I'm Justin with Bandai Namco. We're here at the Gundam Base at Anime Frontier right here in Fort Worth, Texas. My goodness. Giddy up and let's take a look around what we got going on at the Gundam Base. This way. So what's cool about the Gundam Base is we do have a lot of G-Base exclusives. You will note that on the box you'll see this groovy little sticker that tells you you can only get this item at the Gundam Base. So that's always fun and festive, and we have all sorts of different model kits. There's something for everyone. Gundam has been around for 45 years, and in that time we've come up with all sorts of fun different styles for you to enjoy. If you want to take a look over here, we have everything from the SD, which is a super deformed. Then you have the entry grade, which is sort of a fun entry point for people to see if they like model kits. You know, how long is it going to take them to build? Those ones take about 20 minutes or less once you get more experience. You got high grades, you got real grades. The real grade and the high grade are the same size scale, but the real grade has more intricate parts. Then you have a master grade, which is a little bit taller, and then you have the big boy with the perfect grade. So when you want to dedicate several hours of your day to building the model kit.
Or week.
Yeah, week, month, whatever. You know, it's up to you to perfect it. What is cool about our model kits is they don't require glue or paint to put them together. You just snap them all together. If you do want to paint them and customize them and spruce that goose, as it were, then you are more than welcome to do so.
So are you familiar with the one that came with the Gundam Breakers Ultimate Collection, or?
Oh, yeah.
So what level is that?
That was a high grade.
That's high grade, okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, that's cool. Do you have that?
We have that.
Ooh, you're very lucky. Those ones went fast.
Yeah, I think I got the re-release.
Okay.
I think they kind of went back out.
That's so exciting.
So do y'all do only ones that you have to put together, or do y'all sell
like
statues?
Yeah, 100%. So Bandai Hobby is model kits, but then you have Tamashii Nations, which focuses on action figures, and we have some of those right over here.
Okay, let's do it.
Yep. Pardon. Man with a microphone. I'm in charge, right? Okay, so over here, Tamashii Nations, these are action figures. So it says metal build, and that might make you think that you're building something out of metal, but it's actually just made of metal. There's die-cast parts in there. They come with a ton of accessories for you to have a good old time, and allows for, you know, you have full mobility with your figure, and allows for dynamic posing. A lot of the stuff in here is sort of the for the casual collector, but then we do have on display right outside these figures here to give you a better idea of their scale and size and what they come with. And we can just stroll right over here to see that. Pardon us. So right over here you have some of the like the metal build type stuff. So you can see that it comes with multiple hands and accessories for you to play dress up with your little Gundam.
I was just about to say, my favorite Gundam is Death Sight.
It's Death Sight, yeah.
I didn't see a whole lot of Death Sight. I might have overlooked it, so much in there.
Yeah, so that's from the Gundam Universe line. So those are just like, you know, 6-inch action figures that you know, come with a weapon. They're ones that you find at like mass market retailers like Target, Walmart, Amazon. Easy peasy. So for those of you that don't like to take the time to build model kits, you can just tear open that box with your teeth and you got a figure ready to rock and roll. If you like bathtub toys, that is the rubber ducky of 2024, let me tell you. Have a good old time in the tub.
All right, so what's next?
Well, that's a good question. Over here, we have this fun little wall that shows like what is Gundam. You have 45 years of Gundam, and that's a long time to play catch up.
Only 45? I thought it might have been longer than that.
Feels like it sometimes, right?
Yeah.
It's been around forever, and you know, so it shows that there's different timelines. You know, there's different series. Everyone gets started in a different spot. For me personally, my journey began with Gundam in you know, the late 90s, early 2000s with Mobile Suit Gundam Wing. Yes, absolutely. And Epion, I know you're not asking, but Epion is my favorite mobile suit.
oh yeah, okay.
I am a Zaku man through and through, but there's just something about the Epion that draws me to it. I swoon, as it were, when I see an Epion.
Gundam Wing is so iconic. It's so serious in nature. That's what drew me to it.
Yeah, no, 100%. like for me, like when I was a kid, watching like something like G.I. Joe, you know, planes get shot out of the sky, you see a parachute, you're like, okay, that guy's gonna be fine. When I'm watching Gundam Wing, I don't see no parachutes when these suits explode.
No. Yeah.
Like when those Leos just get destroyed, I'm like, I hope that guy's okay, but
yeah, for me, I think it just hit right at the right time because my specific age group, it was like Pokemon, but then I was looking for something more grown up, more because I was a late teen, at that time. So I was like, this is perfect.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, I was in college when I got into Gundam, and it was stuff like that was hard to come by. The people were still. I remember when I watched Evangelion for the first time, it was like from a VHS tape.
Yeah.
We were basically, someone had the whole series, and we were just passing out the VHSs around like the dorm kind of thing to watch it all.
Yeah.
So anime's come a long way. You know, now with the accessibility of, just turn on Netflix or Hulu.
You can just get it anywhere. It's like it's like back in the day. Even when it got to DVD, I was telling her it was $10 an episode.
Yeah, you're paying $30 for 3 episodes.
For 3 episodes.
Yeah,
so a series that had 12 or 15.
Yeah,
you're spending.
Or like Dragon Ball, it's like, okay,
yeah,
here's where all my money's going.
Right.
Oh, 100%.
So, you want to end where we started?
Sure, let's do it. Sneak right in here. But yeah, so the RX-78, that is quite the face of Gundam. We're very proud of it. It's always cool to have the statues out front in front of the booth. It always resonates.
Is the big guy here this year?
This is the biggest one we have this year.
Okay.
It's expensive shipping those big ones.
I think we were here last year, I think.
Yeah, I had a big guy. Yeah. No, we love the statues, man, and it's a great photo op. And that's the cool thing about, this booth is it's a shoppable experience as opposed to just going up to a window and saying, give me a number 32 or number 15. Here you can walk through, and if you don't know where to begin, maybe just looking at the box art, it calls to you. Sort of like in the Harry Potter sense of the wand chooses the wizard. As you walk through the shoppable experience, you see that box, you're like, that guy right there, that's the one that I want to build, and that really resonates with the fans. And then, lastly, we have the Requiem for Vengeance kits, the new series that just came out on Netflix in October. So there's both the RX-78 and the Zaku 2. Very excited about all that. And now fans can get their hands on it. So that pretty much concludes our tour.
So what's the website? If they can't get out to Anime Frontier to get this stuff here.
So the G-Base exclusives you can only get at a G-Base.
Right.
But some of these other kits, they pop up on Premium Bandai, or you can go to your local hobby store to purchase.
All right, sounds good, Justin. I appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you very much for taking your time.